Hi children, in the previous video we had the introduction of this lesson. The lesson name is A Day in the Jungle. Jungle means forest. Now we are talking about a boy and a girl in this lesson. Their parents plan to go to forest. So they informed them previous day. So this boy and girl woke up early in the morning before the sun rises and the chirping of the birds. And they got ready and they were sitting in the jeep. Varun and Jaya and their parents along with them a guide. Guide means who knows the place, who used to accompany them, who used to follow them. Accompany means follow them. Means this guide knows where to go, how to guide the tourists. Yes, children. Now they are set out to forest. Then at last they reached the forest, Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. Understand, children? They went to the jungle, Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. While they were going on the way, they read porcupine. Porcupine means it is an animal. It is full of feathers. Its feathers are, means its quills are upright. Upright means standing straight. And it was moving to the bush, thicket. Thicket means bush. Understand, children? What is the animal we discussed here? Porcupine. The name of the animal is a porcupine. Now the animal is going inside the bush. When they were going, again they saw deers. What did they see? Deers. Deers are animals. The animals, when they reached the animals' place, the animals were disappeared. The children asked the guide, where did these animals go? The guide said, the deer has a special quality. Special quality. Means this special quality is camouflage. The special quality camouflage. Camouflaged means merging themselves. The body and the skin is merging in the nature, hiding in the nature. That time no one could find them. Understand, children? Camouflaged means merging themselves in the nature. Merging themselves in the nature when they sense the danger. When they sense the danger. Yes, children? What is the special quality of deers? Camouflaged. Camouflaged means merging themselves in the nature. Merging themselves in the nature. Already you have written the meanings in the notebook. Understand, children? Then from the jeep, the guide was looking at the binocular. Binocular means the things we could see very closer. Very closer. Binocular means which we use the thing to watch the animals or birds or things very closely. When the guide was looking through the binocular, he saw a leopard. He saw a leopard with a kill on the tree. Kill means here a dead body of a did. Then he set everyone in the jeep. Everyone looked at the leopard. Why this leopard is on the tree? Asked the boy. Then the guide said, mother said, leopard can climb the trees. With the strong legs he could climb, and with the tail he could balance the things on the tree. That is a special quality of leopard. Special quality of leopard. What is the special quality of leopard? Balancing on the tree. Means it could climb the tree. Yes, children, climb the tree. Which animal could climb the tree? Yes, the leopard could climb the tree. Understand? Then the guide said, after some time, let us sit on the machen. Machen means a platform built on the tree. Let us sit on the machen. Machen means a place which is built on the tree. As children, then after some time, the guide and the family members went to the thicket, forest, woodland. Woodland means a forest. When they went to the woodland, they reached the hut. The place hut. There is a man. The man is called ranger. Ranger means keeper of the forest. Ranger means keeper of the forest. What is the meaning of ranger? Keeper of the forest. Already you learned this line in the 3rd class. Keeper of the forest. Now this ranger knows the condition of the animals. How can they see the tiger? When could they see the tiger? And the things when they could go and watch remaining animals. Then the guide talked sometime to the ranger. Is there any alarm? Alarm means a sound. Is there any alarm? Alarm means when the animals sense danger, they give different sounds. Once again, alarm means the sounds which animals give when they are in danger. As children, likewise, the ranger told, I did not hear any alarm now. After some time, and also they did not see any pug marks of tiger. Pug marks means the footprints of the tiger. Understand, children? Then they were walking through the jungle. Very soon they heard the sounds of langurs. Langurs means here birds. Then they gave the sound. Then they could sense that the tiger is coming to snatch. The animals were scattering here and there. Then they watched the rhinoceros. Rhinoceros also has the special quality using of horns and skin. Horns are used to make medicines. And horns only the special thing for the rhinoceros to attack their enemy. What are the special quality of rhinoceros? The special quality of rhinoceros are horns and skin. The horns are a sword, a small swords to fight with the enemies. Understand? Then they reached and they saw the tigress. The tigress have two cubs. Along with the tigress, it has two cubs. They were frolicked the mother, means they were playing with the adorable mother, lovable mother, and they were playing. Then at last it became night. They were returning home. The children asked them, shall we come back in the next summer also this place? My dear father, shall we come here next summer also? The father said, I too was thinking the same. You have read my mind. Means I am also thinking the same. Understand? Meanwhile, Jaya also asked her mother. They have the specialty to camouflage. But what is the specialty of human beings? Mother explained, we have more intelligence. We humans have more intelligence to protect ourselves and also to protect our animals. Understand? This is the specialty of ours. And I forgot to tell you one more thing. The specialty of tiger is it also can camouflage himself by the stripes and the spots. The brown stripes and the white spots could camouflage in the bark of the tree. Yes, children, I hope you could understood this lesson. Understand? What did we learn? Once again, we go through. So, the name of the lesson is Jungle. A day in the jungle. Jungle means forest. What are the names of the boy and girl? Varun and Jaya. Where did they go? They went to Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. Who accompanied them? Yes, a guide accompanied them. Accompany means following with them, going with them. Understand, children? While they were going, which is the first animal they see? Yes, they saw the porcupine with the quills, different quills on the body. It was upright. Upright means standing straight with sharp, with standing upright with the sharpness. Understand? Then after some time, which animals they saw? They saw the deers. These are deers. Deers are the animals which they can camouflage themselves in the nature. Camouflage means merging themselves in the nature when they sense the danger. The special quality of deers are camouflaged. Understand? After some time, what did they see? They saw the leopard on the treetop with a quill. The kill means a dead body. Kill means dead body of the deer. Understand? The special quality of the deer is it could climb the tree very easily with strong legs and the balancing of the tail. Understand? And the tigers also have the special quality. The tigers also has special quality to camouflage. Camouflage means merging themselves. Yes, children? Yes. How they can merge? With the brown stripes. Brown stripes and white spots. Brown stripe, then the white spots. They could merge themselves in the bark of the tree. In the bark of the tree. Bark of the tree. Bark of the tree. Yes, children, the special quality of the deer, the special quality of the tiger is to camouflage. Camouflage means merging themselves in the nature. What are they merging? The brown stripes and white spots in the bark of the tree. They could merge themselves. What is the first one? This is the first quality of this one is a deer. The second one is a leopard. The third one is a tiger. The third one is a tiger. As children, what is the another animal we talked about? The another animal is leopard, which is on the tree. It was eating the kill. Yes, children. So no one could catch the kill by other tigers or lions or hyenas. Due to the safe, it climbed the tree and it was eating. Then they saw the rhinoceros. Then their father asked them, what is the specialty of rhinoceros? Varun said, the hard skin. What is the specialty of rhino? Specialty of rhinoceros is a hard skin and horns. Horns are the special things. Hard skin is said by Varun. Horns are said by Jaya. Yes, children? Yeah. Yes. Then they said the rhino's horns are the dagger. Dagger means horns are the dagger. Dagger means small sword. Dagger. Small sword. Dagger means small sword which they could fight other animals. Yes, children? And after some time they went to the Machen. The guide asked them to sit on the Machen. Machen is the place where they could sit on the tree tops. And he was talking about the ranger. Is there any alarm? They did not get any alarm. Alarm means a sound made by the animals. After some time when they were going into the woodland, means forest, they saw the alarm. It was made by langurs. Langurs means birds. Then they saw the tigress with two adorable cubs. Cubs means the young one of the tigress is called cubs. The young one of the rhinoceros are called calf. Yes, children? The young one of the rhinoceros are called calf. The tigress is called cub. They were playing with the mother. Understand? Then it was the time to return home. They were returning. Jaya asked her mother, the animals have their different specialty. What is the specialty of human beings? Then the mother explained her, we the human beings have more intelligence. Then we could save ourselves and also we could save our friend animals. Then Varun asked his father, Father, shall we come next summer also this jungle? The father explained him, you have read my mind. You have read my mind means it is a phrase. I am also thinking the same. So you could come to next summer to this place. Yes, thank you very much. And also I give you some questions regarding this explanation of the lesson. Write those question answers in your notebook and send to me. Still, who did not write hard words and meanings in the notebook? Try to write those things and also answer these questions in your notebook.